Hello guys, Loki here coming at you with an unboxing. So I got two parts for my slash, so let's just not waste any time and get into this. How does this open? We have a piece of paper. Luxury RC. From Luxury RC here, yeah. Look at that. Ain't that sexy? Yeah. There appeared to be something else in here, I think. Oh, nothing else. So yeah, Luxury RC. Look at that. Aluminum tie rod for the slash. That's gonna look good. Yeah. Alright. That's this. This has got to be the other thing that I've been anticipating. Still needs springs, which I know this isn't springs. I got two sets of springs coming. Let's see here. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that. That's sexy too. Yeah. I've been wanting that for a while too. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nope, no more of that. Alright. Let's see here. Let's get our slash over here. Oh yeah, we got these two. Those will be going on in the near future as soon as I get my springs. Also that. And have to match. Yeah, let's see here. Alright. Let's get our slash over here. Ain't that? It's gonna look good. Alright, let's take this old dusty one off here. Out with the old. Goodbye. Let's open this thing up. Oh. I'm gonna have to use a knife. Look at this. That's strc quality right there. Alright, without further delay, let's put it on. Goes on just like that. Look at that. Nice and snug. What'd I do with that thing? There we go. Ain't that looking good? Alright. This is Loki signing out for now. We'll come back at you when we have some more videos. More upgrades.